Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is ArabicI Wahab and welcome to my channel called ArabicMaster. This channel basically discusses on language and translation and its opportunities. So we are here today to discuss about how to get fluency in English. So as we know that there are many factors which is affecting English, and there are many factors which is blocking fluency in English. So let's discuss which are the factors which are the points that we have to take care of while talking English. So first point, while talking you have to use simple English always and not complicated words. So if you use simple English and usages, it will help you to get fluency in English. So these are things that you have to keep in mind while you are talking. And point number two, you don't be more conscious about grammar while you are talking. So if you are more conscious about grammar while you are talking, that it will definitely affect your fluency badly. So this is one point that you have to keep in mind while you are talking. And point number three, you have to think in English instead of translating it to English. So many people, what they are doing, that they think in mother tongue and try to translate into English. So this affect in taking time and finally they are not getting fluency in English. So you have to keep in mind these things when you are talking in English. And another thing is that you should have confidence while you are talking with people, and you should not have an inferiority complex. If you have inferiority complex, you cannot speak anything in front of people. So self-confidence is very important, so that you should have that. So if you don't have that, it will badly affect when you are talking. So whether you are in a meeting, whether you are in front of people, whether you are delivering a speech, or if you are in an interview, every time you must have a confidence. So if you have confidence, you can talk anything. If you have a confidence, what you have, if you have any ideas, thoughts, suggestions, and opinions that you can tell it about to the people. So these are the main points that I shared with you. I hope everything is useful to you and will have a positive result in your life. So these are the things you have to practice. You have to make in use. Okay. So I will be back with more interesting and informative videos and in future. So stay tuned till then. Ma salama.